Hi, I'm Malc Baskett, and I'm addicted to flushing the toilet every 5 minutes.
This is Malc Baskett, and he's addicted to flushing the toilet every 5 minutes. Each day, he sets a timer so he won't forget.
So it all started when I was 10 years old.
He started to tell me about his childhood, but I couldn't get over how he literally flushed the toilet every 5 minutes.
The way it makes me feel is something about the flush.
Literally, every 5 minutes. This is no ordinary addiction. In his spare time, Malc enjoys reading and playing video games, but most of the time, he's in the kitchen. He aspires to be a chef one day, but is worried that his addiction might hinder that dream. This restroom routine leaves no time for rest, even waking the dog at night. The 23-year-old flushes the toilet around 87 times per night. Join us next time to see if we can flush this strange addiction.